my face. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new rainy, wet day here in Paris. Oh my gosh.
You look sad.
It looks sad.
You look sad. It's a disaster. But the next day, I think tomorrow will be good. After tomorrow won't be good, but all of the next days looks good. So we have hope. We're just gonna do indoors activity. We have a lot to do today, and it would be fine if it's rainy.
You guys, Paris never fails. But in my head, I don't know why I'm thinking that during the summertime it will be no raining. I don't know why I was thinking that. So because of that, I didn't pack no much pants for the kids. None of that for this weather. I guess I'm used to knee so much where I pack all shorts and skimpy and belly skin and short body rider. And listen, Paris never disappoints. It keeps reminding me where we moved from the city that we used to live, because the city that we used to live was 2 hours away from here. And when I tell you that rain, all summer rain, I couldn't take it anymore, hence why we moved to the south. And it's not disappointing right now. It lives up to the standard of the rain. But anyway, you guys, today we are going to visit one of Babe's uncle that has never met the kids, though he's close to Babe. In my head he has met Tyler, but come to realize that he has never met Tyler, because Tyler only came to Paris one time since he was born, and that time was a short stay. We were flying to the United States, so he didn't get to meet that uncle. So he's meeting Sarah and Tyler for the first time. So that's where we're heading. We're heading there for lunch. Don't know how long we'll stay. Probably we'll spend the entire rest of the day. But that's what's on our agenda for today. Auntie and uncle, however, is gone. They left yesterday on their vacation, so we are all home alone. So the mission was to spend the few days here with them since we arrived, so when they left we can hit the Paris adventure, which is coming week. So the coming week you'll be getting Paris vlogs on top of Paris vlogs, exploring the entire Paris. And I'm praying to God that this rain stay in the sky, okay? Though so we thank Almighty for the blessing.
So that's why if it had to rain,
let it rain now. Because next week we are going all out. Next week we'll probably be in Paris every day next week. Okay, you guys, hold up. I know you guys are wondering, Mel's still talking about this rain in Paris, girl. So this vlog that you guys are about to see was our very first few days in Paris, but you guys did not get to see this vlog. So it's the day of what I'm talking about, cooperated with another day that my cousin-in-law had came to the house to visit us. So what you're about to see is the first week of Paris. I had this footage and I just wanted to get them out before we jump into Tyler's birthday vlog, which you guys will see coming on Monday. And then after all Tyler birthday vlogs, then you guys will see us maybe in a whole new country. The journey continues on this vacation. We have like a week and a half to go before we finish this vacation. It already has been so eventful, so amazing. We're having such a good time. So I just wanted to share this day with you guys to kick out all the Paris vlogs before we move on to a whole new setting of vlogs. So enjoy the rest of today's vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one. After you finish this though, make sure you give it a thumbs up and comment down below, and subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Enjoy. We're going all out next week on the adventures, just because I want to check out all the stops in Paris, all the famous spots, all the adventures, all the monuments, Eiffel Tower, you name it, we'll be doing it. So stay tuned for those vlogs. So today is just chill with the fam bam, and I didn't get to show you guys outfit of the day because we were just trying to get out of the house. So I'll show you guys that in a bit. But the kids are around here. Say hello, Ty.
Hello.
Say hello, Sarah. With our cute self. Okay, Sarah's wearing dress today and she looks so cute in her little dress. Anyway, you guys, enjoy the rest of today's vacation vlog. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and let me just tell you from now to all my Jamaicans, hint hint, you don't want to miss tomorrow's vlog, because tomorrow's vlog is going to be very Jamaican-y. That's the hint for tomorrow's vlog, okay? And I'm so looking forward to tomorrow, so you guys will stay tuned. I know you guys will stay tuned. So anyway, enjoy the rest of today's vlog for now, and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of it. You guys, it's relay time, 4x1 time. Team Jamaica, go Elaine, go Sherika, go Brianna, go Shelly. Hey, hey, hey. Winnings, we say. J-A, winnings. Winnings, we say. Out. Shelly, come out now. Can I hear this? Shelly having green hair. Shelly come out in a green hair,
Green.
pink hair, and the other one was yellow and black, or yellow and something. Shelly don't play with the colors. Bree in a color
Yellow
hair.
and green.
Auntie Hills in a full black hair. Sherika in a full black hair. Man, love it. It's Brenna starting it. Shelly probably up on the anchor. Brenna starting it. Come on, Bree, let's go.
It's a final.
Yes, it's a final. Come on, Brianna. Come on, Brianna, let's go. Come on, Bree. Come on, Bree. That's it. Clean change.
Is it one's head?
Shelly, come on, Shelly. Yes, man.
It's who now?
Sherika.
That's who? Sherika? How do you want to this computer? I think after it's going to be.
They win, but something happened to Brianna and Elaine. Something happened to Brianna and Elaine. I hope they don't get disqualified. On Team JA. You guys, so the kids are at their uncle. We got here a while now, been chit-chatting. Ty is over there on the swing. Hi, Ty.
Hi.
C'est tonton. Dis bonjour, monsieur Delaveaus.
Delaveaus.
And Sarah is over here on the slide. Hi, Sarah. Oh, his two kids are not here. They're off on vacation at their grandma. So Sarah and Tyler is playing. Go to Papa. Go on. Sarah's favorite thing is the slide. You guys know that. She loves the slide. I remember when I came to this house for the first time, his daughters were little like Sarah and Tyler. Now they've grown up so much. I think they're 12 and 16. Oh my God. They've gotten so grown. They've gotten so big. Look at Sarah. Wow. She loves going fast. As in, she loves skipping. Yeah. Watch her, you know.
At the end, she's then put
Yay!
Bon, vous allez pouvoir repartir avec. Là, on voit par colis Amazon. Par colis Colissimo.
Bye bye! Oui! Yay!
She climbed out, so I didn't touch her this time.
No! Look at this girl and the pizza. I pizza face. I had to change her outfit because she's playing so much. It's best to put her in pants. They're here starting the barbecue. We hope the rain let up. It was raining like crazy earlier. Listen, when I tell you that it's raining here, I just pray that next week things will change. But the kids are having so much fun at uncle. Going to brother?
J'irai prendre quelques places.
That's okay, leave her.
Ouais, c'est bien, c'est comme ça.
Le stade, il est à quoi? 5
Allez,
minutes.
essaye. En fait, tu pousses avec tes pieds et tu tires avec tes bras quand tu vas en arrière. Tire, voilà, c'est ça.
Tu as 5 minutes à pied de...
Oh là là. Oui. See? Here comes the rain.
Ouais. Dans le sens, c'est ça?
Yeah. Here comes the rain. Tonton doing barbecue. He did pork, ribs, merguez, and a big sausage. What you eating? Yummy?
Sandwich with
Ah. Okay. So why you didn't put it in one? Put your this like that and go like that.
He
And
didn't
then
want
put
it to.
like this and go like that.
We wanted,
No?
like this.
Okay, stop talking like that, please.
he wanted
That's how you want to do it?
We let him do. At first, we wanted to put it in the baguette.
He said no.
I want it in this bread.
Sarah, what do you want? You want sausage? And sausage? Cut a little piece of the sausage or the merguez give.
The chef
Alors,
going
qu'est-ce que vous voulez?
What are you eating? Yummy. Sit, sit, sit.
Normal.
Tiens, voilà, celui-là, va bien couper le pain.
Toi, tu veux quoi comme pain? Comme ça?
This meal is something that I always look forward to in France, that is called kebab. Normally you have this in a bread, that's the signature of kebab. That's the one they're gonna have. But today I opted for fries because I wanted to share with Sarah. But the chef was so nice, he gave Sarah a small plate for herself. Look at her. Hi Sarah. Yummy? Yummy? So that's the real kebab. Turn it around my way so we can see it. Wow, that's kebab. I love it. It's so good.
With a minute.
For me and Tyler having the same thing. It's just here. Sarah, eat. Properly, where your hand over the shoe right now. Shake that and shake. We're on the road and we found a park and the kids are having fun. Tata come in. She come in.
Was ice patinoire, I understand patinoire?
No.
Ice skating indoor. Ice skating the indoor.
Okay. Oh my god, you guys probably know Idalina by now. If you're first time to our channel, then that's my cousin-in-law. Shake, princess, shake, shake. Babe, shake her now. Babe, shake princess. Oh, she's shaking herself. Oh my god. Baby, this is the baby. Go, Sarah. Oh my god. Sarah, come on the slide. Come. Wee. Honey, at least put your hands so if she falls, it's scary. Oh my gosh, she climbed it by herself. Oh my gosh.
Because she's a bigger girl, that is because she don't need baby bed anymore. It's because she don't need the baby things anymore, that's why.
Go, Sarah, go. Slide. Come on. Yeah, go, go. Go again. Go again. Oops. Wait, wait, wait. Sarah, hold on, please. Take time, Ty. Shake. No, she wanna get off. Guys, Sarah. Look at this girl climbing. She said hot, which means this hot. The thing she holding on to hot. Come, it's okay. This hot, honey. That's why she's saying hot. Climb, come up. Up. Come on, you can do it. Yay! Yay! Come. Slide. Whee! Yes! Hey, hey, hey! Turn up, Sarah! This scares me so much. Jesus have mercy. Look at my daughter climbing like a big woman. No, sir.
Even with two, she can.
Go to Tata. Go on.
Hot! Hot!
Go, Sarah, go.
Hot!
Right. Tell him where's his head. He's searching for fish.
On dirait big poulet rôti.
Whoa, wait. Oh my god. His neck is so long.
Oui, mais regarde, on voit pas sa tête, on dirait.
Tell him where's his head. His head is gone under the water. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Oh, il y a un poulet rôti dans la barre.
He's finding fish.
Oh, mais il y a un poulet rôti.
OMG. That's the cutest
Non, mais il y
thing.
a un poulet rôti dans la barre.
Mais elles sont belles ces plumes. Hein. Comment elles sont belles ces plumes?
Ah, parce que Idalina, il y a même de l'autre côté, je crois que c'est un
On
mini-golf.
dirait vraiment
Il y a un restaurant avec des mini-golf.
Ah ouais?
Je vais aller pêcher ces poulets
Ah, c'est là où il y a la
rôtis.
piscine.
Ouais, parce que chaque fois que
La
je suis
piscine
bourré,
à
je passe
l'extérieur. C'est pas, là,
Ouais,
c'est pas
c'est
près
ça.
de la côte vers Grigny.
Après là,
Si, c'est là.
Sarah, look.
Grigny, c'est là-bas.
What's that? What's that?
Et ça, c'est les bébés cygnes.
What's that, Sarah? What's that?
C'est des bébés cygnes.
ça c'est les
vilains
4
petits
bébés de la
canards.
maman.
Oui, c'est ça, je pense.
Oui, if
que
it's
le
that
vilain-
close.
Le vilain petit canard, il est noir à la base. Et tout le monde trouve ça bizarre, bizarre, bizarre. Et en fait, à la fin, on se rend compte que c'est un cygne.
Sarah, what's that? Quack, quack. C'est quack, quack.
Je pense que c'est des cygnes. Sinon...
What's that? What is that?
Everything
So you say what?
Merci.
Eh?